for undisclosed reasons, we won't be saying the name of this property or the town near Milwaukee, Wisconsin that we are in. It's near Milwaukee, Wisconsin though. As you can see, the floor is poured, the re-poured above the drain tile work that was done, approximately 1 inch thick. That's my wedding ring. It's about the width of my wedding ring, so later on I will measure that. Maybe I'll take a piece of this concrete home for reference too. Little trophy. That's how thick it is. There's the top, there's what was on top of this board. Gas, and utilize the drain tile on the floor. That's how the radon system works, and it actually helps dry out the basement as well. It's a great system. What he found when he drilled the hole through the concrete floor was the thin floor to get down to the drain tile. It started to crack, and he doesn't want to fix all this. So the company that did this work originally, how many years ago?
6.
6 years ago. They were here recently? They were here recently. Today? Okay, they were here today. I didn't know that. And they said that they can't go and make the floor thicker because the footing is right there, and they told the homeowner that you can't cut or remove the footing. That's kind of a no kidding moment. So what I did is I just came in here and they drilled the weep hole in the block right. All I did is use a piece, I'll just use the light, I just used a piece of the concrete itself, and I dug down, and what I have is about 2 full inches, maybe even 3 full inches of soil type dirt, like traffic bond, TB, on top of the footing. Here's the footing down here. So there's this big of a space between the footing and the drain board. So yes, this floor could be poured that thick up to here and still be pressing where it is right on the drain board, right? Not changing the height of the floor, not ramping the floor to the wall, lowering the bottom thickness of the floor of this section where it got cut all the way around, so it's making the contact for good strength from left to right on the bottom, which holds the walls and the footing out in place. That's the way it's supposed to be done. This was clearly neglected. This is a rush job with 1 inch thick concrete, lots of cheap stone and fill. Look at all the soil in there that does not promote water flow or radon flow. So we will be keeping this video private for now. If it needs to go further, I will be available with this video to comment.